Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to save images from VSCO. So once you are in your VSCO application, you want to go to the studio, which is in the center, this icon right here, and click on the picture that you want to save. So let's say I want to save this one, and maybe I want to save maybe the colors right here. So let's just click save. As you can see, these photos are now saving. And now if we go to the gallery, we are going to find those pictures. As you can see, these are the pictures of my boots that I have edited in VSCO. This is the original picture, and these are the photos edited in VSCO. Also, here is the photo of the building that I saved before, and here is the montage that I saved right now. So this is how you can save pictures from VSCO. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please hit a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!